Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, in today's class, I'm going to just recap what we have done so far. First of all, let me share my screen. All right. In the previous class, I talked about I used Reader's Digest magazine, this one, the physical magazine. This is the May, this one. Yep. Uh-huh. This is the May 2023 issue. Okay, but some of the students might not have the magazine. Okay, the physical magazine. You can get it for 15 ringgit. Or in Singapore, $999, 990, and Philippines, 199 pesos. Okay, in Malaysia, it's 15 ringgit at bookstore, all right? But I'm selling it at 10 ringgit. That's 30% discount for my students. Okay, this is in the previous class, I used this article, the River Guardian. It's about an Indonesian biologist, Prigi Arisandi, who trains adults and children to become environmental detectives. Okay. So for those of you who don't have the magazine, you can also go to rdasia.com, right, /magazine. And if you look at the top, okay, here, there are many sections. This is what I like about Reader's Digest, the variety of topics, okay, that you can use, the articles that you can use for improving your reading skills and vocabulary. Okay, the sections can be found under food, home, and garden. There are several subtopics, okay, that you can choose from. Health Smart, travel, advice and true stories, games and jokes, okay, and also today I'm going to choose under Health Smart, okay, coronavirus, because I noticed that the semester break is coming. It's next for UITM next week. So I noticed some of the students are down with flu and even tested positive for coronavirus. So I'm going to choose under Health Smart coronavirus. So it comes under culture, the topic. Okay, this is among regular section in the, even in the magazine, you can find culture as a regular feature. Okay, so this is, if you look at the anatomy of the magazine, yeah. um this is the sorry, anatomy of the article. This is the title, the caption, and also the author. Okay, so for my academic writing students, I would remind them, if they use online articles, this is they need to pay attention to the to the author's name and use the last name. So it's Jones, comma, Megan, and then parentheses 2023. All right, and remember to include the title and URL address. So these are some photos, a moment peace in your day, a moment of peace in your day. All right, this one is a very short. This is a very short paragraph. Okay. So when it comes to vocabulary building or improving your vocabulary, there are two ways. You can use contextual clues. All right, let's say you come across this word. In the previous class, you can just copy. I showed you how you can just copy and paste on Google, and you can learn the pronunciation, definition. Okay, let me demonstrate it to you. You just open a new tab. You just go to Google, click, okay, then you just click on the speaker here. and you can listen to the pronunciation, and you can also repeat as many times as you want. All right. So this word tranquility is a noun, and this is the definition: the state of being calm or tranquil, and how to use the word in a sentence. All right. Tranquil, okay, on the other hand, is an adjective. It also means calm. The meaning is the same. So you, from here, you can also learn another thing in terms of vocabulary, which is, this brings to what I actually want to share with you to our lesson today, which is on suffix. So the word tranquil and tranquility, the word tranquility, this is the root word quill, and tran here is a prefix. Okay, so one, you can use the context clue. You look at the photo or illustration of the if available on the in the article, and then you can also look at the context. As difficult as it can be just to unwind and try to feel at peace, we hope this tranquil. So tranquil here is an adjective. Cozy, just like cozy is also an adjective describing the noun photos. Okay. And another word that I like to draw your attention in this paragraph is unwind. Unwind here, because I want to draw your attention to the prefix un. Okay. Un means that this is to just unwind. And here is a prefix indicating negative, okay, or no. Okay, so you can also, if you just type, if you go to Google, root words, prefixes, and suffixes. I have a lesson. I do teach my students in my critical academic reading class. Okay, so a prefix is a word which is attached in the beginning, the first part of the word, like an, il, im, okay, in, like inadequate, okay. So so it is attached to the root word to change the meaning of the word and to make it negative. All right. And a suffix, for example, just now, tranquility, this word, yeah. Tranquility, it doesn't change the meaning of the word, but it changes the word form from an adjective to a noun. Tranquil is an adjective describing a noun. Tranquility is a noun. Okay, the tranquility. So when it's a noun, that is why you can find the article the in front of the word tranquility. So the tranquility of rural life. Okay, so that's a very short lesson on prefix, suffix, and also root word. And you can, if you go to this article, so what I ask my students to do is, okay, you can go through some of the articles online on rdasia.com, or you can find some words in the articles in the magazine, if you have the magazine, and you list down some words that you can identify, and the root word, prefixes, suffixes, and also the meaning of the word and how to use the word in a sentence, as I showed you with the word tranquility. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and I wish those my students who are going back for the semester break, I hope you have a great break. And okay, bye.